Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the activity, community, the chat and calendar. Also in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So firstly, changing your picture in Microsoft Teams is quite straightforward. First of all, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser. Then after you have done that, in the top right corner, click on your current profile picture or initials. So click on here, as you can see. So account manager. Then from the drop down menu, click edit profile. Click on upload picture to select a new image from your computer. When you clicked on there and selected the image, once you've chosen your new picture, click save to apply the changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.